Hello everybody. Today we are going to do NCERT class 10 exercise 1.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और उसके काफ़ी सारे पार्ट्स हैं जो कि हम आज सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं. Okay, let's read the question. Without actually performing the long division, basically हमने इसके अंदर long division perform नहीं करनी है. State whether the following rational numbers means जो कि P over Q की फॉर्म में है. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जितने भी सारे क्वेश्चंस जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं इस क्वेश्चन के वो सब रैशनल फॉर्म में है, मीन्स P over Q की फॉर्म में हमें दी है. Will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So basically what is terminating and non-terminating? We have to do this first, okay? So terminating means कि जिसका हमारे पास remainder है वो at last zero आ जाए. Means ये जो भी P over Q की form हमें दी है means basically ये division की form है, ये fraction है. Basically हम इसको कह सकते हैं that this is a fraction form. और हम इसको कह सकते हैं कि P over Q की फॉर्म में हमें दिया है. ये जो फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म है अगर बेसिकली ये डिवाइड फॉर्म है 13 ओवर जैसे कि जो फर्स्ट है हमारे पास 13 ओवर 3125 ये बेसिकली हम 13 को अंदर लिखेंगे और 3125 के साथ इसको जब डिवाइड करेंगे ये हमारे पास जो इसका कोई भी रिमाइंडर है अगर तो वो ज़ीरो आता है तो दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. ओके, और अगर ज़ीरो नहीं आता है कोई ना कोई नंबर आता है, इट कुड बी 17, इट कुड बी 19 लाइक द प्राइम नंबर्स, सो मीन्स ये टर्मिनेटिंग नहीं है और इट इज़ अ रिपीटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. मीन्स रिपीटिंग, कीप ऑन डूइंग. व्हेन आप इसको डिवाइड करते जाएंगे आपके पास सेम ही आंसर बार बार आता जाएगा, तो आपको दोबारा से कोशिएंट और डिवाइजर के साथ आपको करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so that means a terminating repeating decimal expansion and a terminating decimal expansion. It will be more clear if you do the questions. Okay, so हम questions करेंगे. Let me rub this one so that we can do all the questions. Let's start the question. So our first question is, so now we are not going to perform the long division. Okay, so we are going to do the first question first of all, which is 13 over 3125, this one. So we'll write this as 13 over 3125. अब top पे जो हमारे पास 13 है, this number is a prime number. Okay, so prime number है, so ये इसके तो कोई factors ही नहीं होंगे. So या तो इसका factor 1 है या itself the same number which is 13 as the factor. So if factor नहीं है तो हम 3125 को use करेंगे. So which is at the denominator 3125 के हमने basically क्या करने हैं, factors निकालने हैं. So you remember the three thing which we have already done in our previous video, जो कि मैंने अपनी previous videos में explain किया है. So factors निकालेंगे. So 3125 as you can see that 5 है बाहर, तो 5 this will go with the table of 5. 5 6 are 30, यहाँ क्या बचता है 1 and 12, so 5 2s are 10, यहाँ बचता है 2 and 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 625 आया. अब हमारे पास ये जाएगा अगेन 5 के साथ, 5 1s are 5, 1 and 12 बचा, 5 2s are 10, 2 and 5 बचा, 5s are 25. Again 125 goes with the table of 5, it will be 25 and 5 5s are 25. इसको हम लिख लेंगे 3125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Make sure you won't miss any 5 while go from here to here. Okay, so कोई भी miss नहीं करना है. ठीक है, so we can write this as 5 the power 5. Okay, so basically it is, हम इसको लिख लेंगे, it is of the form 5 the power m. So any power of 5, so basically any power of 5 it is 5 the power m, hence the decimal expansion of 13 over 3125 is terminating. Okay, so now let's do the next question. Our next question is 17 divided by 8. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's move this a little bit like that. So we have the next question, which is 17 divided by 8. So here also you can say the 17 is the prime number. And 8 के हम factors निकालेंगे. You know that 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. So 8 can be written as 2 the power 3. Remember? So हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. Similarly, it is of the form 2 the power m. So basically, whatever the terminating and non-terminated we are talking about, if we get the answer in 2 the power m and 5 the power something, then the answer, then our question is terminating. Okay, so it is of the form 2 the power m. Hence, हम इसको लिख सकते हैं, hence the decimal expansion of 17 over 8 is terminating. Okay, now let's do the next question. In our next question, we have 64 divided by 455. This is our next question. Okay, now here, of course, 64 is not a prime number, it has the factors. So you can open 64 as well. We have 64 like that. So it goes with the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again, 2 1s are 2, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and again 2 2s are 4. So this can be written as 2 multiplied by 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 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 2 divided by. Similarly, we have to do for 455. So for 455 हम कर लेंगे, ये हो जाएगा 5 के टेबल से. 5 9s are 45 and 5 1s are 5. Now 91, remember we have done this one before as well, the factors of this one in our previous videos. So 7 times 13 is 91 basically. So ये आ जाएगा 5 into 7 into 13. So हम टॉप को तो लिख लेंगे 2 the power 6, but जो नीचे आएगा वो है 5 into 7 into 13. So basically you can see in here that this is not of the form 2 the power n and 2 the power m. So हम लिख लेंगे इसको, it is not of in the form 2 the power m into 5 the power n, and it contains 7 and 13 as its factors. So basically we are talking about the denominator here. Therefore, its decimal expansion will be non-terminating. Okay, so हम इसको लिख लेंगे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग. सो कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग, हमारे पास सेम आंसर आता जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई हमने इसको निकाल दिया है. Okay, so if denominator, basically you have to see about the denominator. If the denominator is not of the form 2 the power m 5 the power n, then ये हमारे पास नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग आ जाएगी. Now let's do the another question. Another question है हमारे पास. We have the next question, question number 4, which is 15 divided by 1600. Now here we know that 15 is 3 5s are 15 and 1600 के हम निकाल लेंगे. 1600 again same in the form of a tree, you can do that. 2 800, 2 400, again 2 200, again 2, this will go with 100, again 100 will go with 2, which will get 50. I'll shift this one a little bit here. So 50 again 2 25 and 5 5s are 25 you will get. Okay, so अब इसको हम काउंट कर लेंगे कि कितनी बार 2 आया है. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 बार 2 आया है, तो मैं यहाँ लिख लूंगी 2 the power 6, और 5 हमारे पास 2 बार आया है, तो मैं इसको लिख लूंगी 5 the power 2. ओके, सो जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर है वो 2 द पावर m इंटू 5 द पावर n की फॉर्म में हमें मिल गया है। देयरफॉर हम इसको लिख लेंगे that 15/1600 is terminating. Okay, so if the denominator we get in the form of 2 द पावर m 5 द पावर n, तो हम इसको terminating की फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे। अगर आपने इसको फर्दर डिवाइड करना है तो आप कर सकते हो। ऊपर एक 5 है, नीचे 2 5 है, सो ये इस फॉर्म में भी लिखा जा सकता है। नीचे से एक 5 ले लोगे तो वो 1 5 विल ऑफ एंड ऊपर वाला 5 भी उससे डिवाइड हो जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म दिस एंड दैट्स व्हाई टर्मिनेटिंग। Okay, now let's do the another one, which is question number 5. So question number 5 है जो हमारे पास, that is 29 divided by 243. Okay, so 29 is a prime number. So 343 को हम लिखेंगे, इसके फैक्टर्स निकाल लेंगे। ये 7 के टेबल से जाएगा। 7 49s are 343 and 7 7s are 49. Okay, so हम 343 को लिख लेंगे 7 into 7 into 7 which is equals to 7 the cube. Okay, so इससे हमें क्या पता लग रहा है that 7 the cube. So it is not of the form 2 the power m into 5 the power n. So ये इसी फॉर्म में नहीं है, therefore non terminating repeating. So simple questions are just you have to solve and find that is that terminating or non-terminating. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Next one अब हम करेंगे. Next one है हमारे पास question number 6. So question number 6 है हमारे पास 23 divided by 2 the power 3 multiply 5 the power 2. Okay. So here we can easily see that the denominator, इसके अंदर तो हमें इजीली पता लग रहा है कि जो डिनोमिनेटर है दिस इज द डिनोमिनेटर एंड दिस द टॉप वन इज द न्यूमिनेटर। दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म डिनोमिनेटर इज ऑफ द फॉर्म, हम इसको लिख लेंगे 2 द पावर m इंटू 5 द पावर n। सो m हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 है और जो n है हमारे पास वो 2 है। 2 the power 3, 2 the power m, 5 the power 2, 5 the power n. So basically we already have this in that form. So hence हम इसको लिख लेंगे the decimal expansion of 23 divided by 2 the cube into 5 the square is terminating. Okay, now let's do the another one. Question number 7, which is 129 divided by 2 the square multiply by 5 the power 7 into 7 the power 5. So here you can easily see that there is a 7 which should not be there at the denominator. If there is something else power than 2 and 5, that means that this equation is also non-terminating. So हम लिख लेंगे इसको the denominator is not of the form 2 the power m into 5 the power n. Of course, there are 2 the power 2 and 5 the power 7, but there is also multiplied with 7 the power 5. That's why the equation goes wrong. And it also has 7 as its factors. Okay, so हम लिख लेंगे इसको the decimal expansion of 129 divided by 2 square into 5 the power 7 into 7 the power 5 is non-terminating repeating. Okay. Now let's do the next question. So next question we have question number 8. 6 over 15. So this is easy. 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. So here you can easily see that this 3 will go with this 3 and we left with 2 divided by 5. Okay, so now 5. So it is of the form 5 the power n. Hence 6 over 15 is terminating. So just find out, is that terminating or non-terminating? Easily you can do all the questions. So now let's do the another question. So let's draw a line in here. So another is question number 9. So in question number 9 we have 35 divided by 50. So now you know that 7 times 5 is 35 or 5 times 7 is 35 and 50 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. If you can't do it, so you can make a tree. Okay, so 2 25s are 50, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, now here this 5 will go with this 5, easy, left with 7 over 2 into 5. And also this is of the form, we can say that the denominator is of the form, हम इसको कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर है वो इस फॉर्म में है टू द पावर m इंटू टू द पावर n, hence the decimal expansion of 35 over 50 is terminating. Okay, easy. So now let's do the next question, which is question number 10. 77 over 210. Now here 77 can be written as 11 by 7 and 210 के factors निकालने. Okay, so 210. It will go with the table of 2 first. 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 fives are 10. So when we have to pick two number in the division, we have to put a 0 in the middle. Make sure जब 10 आप लोगे तो 0 बीच में लगाना है, okay, because दो नंबर आपने उठाए हैं. So now it will go with the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 7s are 35. Now we can write this as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So you can here see that 7 will go with 7 and left is 11 divided by 2 into 3 into 5. But here you can see one number which is 3. But we don't need 3 at the bottom. So that means we can write this as not of the form 2 the power m into 5 the power n because इसके पास क्या है, it has 3 as its factor. So basically अगर आपके पास 2 और 5 डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाए तो ही हमारा ये टर्मिनेटिंग है, otherwise therefore it is non-terminating. Repeating. Okay, इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Alright, so in this way you can solve all the questions where they have asked that is that terminating or is that non-terminating repeating. Thank you.